Hello W200, and today I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to use ChatterPix. ChatterPix is an app you can find on the iOS store or on the Android Play or Google Play Store.
Duck, moose.
So this is ChatterPix.
Welcome to ChatterPix.
Now, different ways to use ChatterPix. You can take a photo or you can do a gallery, but what ChatterPix is you can draw a line on anything and you can make it talk. So I will show you how to do that. You can either start by clicking take a photo or click the gallery to select a photo that's already been taken. So let me click gallery and we can click this camera icon here and we can take a picture of whatever. So I'm going to take a picture of this box. All right, so we're going to flip the camera. So now we've already used it. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line on it. And then we can make it say whatever we want. So, hello, I am a box. Boxes contain many things. So we hit next. And we can use a bunch of these filters and whatnot, but I'll show you that later on in the tutorial. So basically what it'll look like, the end product will look like this. We'll hit play. So, hello, I am a box. Boxes contain many things. Awesome. So you see how it works basically through camera mode. But something we can also do is we can select a photo from our gallery. So different ways you can use it is you can use it for an introduction or to inform, but you can have many other ways to use ChatterPix. So I'm going to show you how to make an introduction. I've selected my Bitmoji from Snapchat because I see a lot of Bitmoji classrooms happening a lot more often. So we've already clicked our photo from the gallery. We're going to hit next. We're going to draw a line right on the mouth, and then we're going to record. Hello, I am Thomas Arndt, your ULA for W200. So we'll hit next. So this is where you can use some of the filters. You can make it black and white. You can make it rainbow. So we will make it. Let's use let's use concrete. And something else you can do is you can add little stickers here. So let's say you want to add a wizard hat to me. You can do that. And you can also put a frame around it. Let's use this frame. And we can also put text, and we have a bunch of fonts here we can select. So let's say, welcome to W200. All right, awesome. And then we can resize it, we can shape it, and we can put it right here, right? And we'll hit next. We can delete it on the left by tapping that, or we can save it to our camera roll by hitting this button here. See, it doesn't take that long to export it. It's a very simple tool to use. So I've already made some examples here for what it would look like in different types of classrooms. So in an elementary classroom, I did it for the color green, right? I've already added some of the stickers. So if you hit play, this is an example of what using an elementary classroom to inform about the color green. Hello, I am the color green. I become this color when you mix yellow and blue. Other green things are grass, trees, frogs, and sometimes cars. See, so it's very simple. And like that, again, you can hit that to export it. But you can also use it in a secondary classroom. So I remember when I was in chemistry, we had to learn all these bunch of elements. We had to create a project where you presented the element as a criminal, right? You had to make a wanted poster. So kind of similar like this. I made one for gold. Hello, I am AU, more commonly referred to as gold. My atomic number is 79 and my atomic mass is 196.967 units, or Daltons. While I am used as a currency in some cases, I am also found in many electronics. See, so it's very simple. You can use it in many different types of classrooms. It doesn't just have to be chemistry or secondary or elementary. You can use it in many different cases, like introducing yourself or informing, or just like making some protocols for if you were absent. I know a buddy of mine who also took W200 made it as a substitute announcement. He was like, oh, I'm not feeling too good. So this is your substitute. Be good for them, right? So ChatterPix is a really fun thing to use. like I said, you can use it for many different cases to inform, to introduce yourself, to explain a topic, to explain some protocol in the classroom. So I'm going to include the links to ChatterPix, the Android version and the iOS version. They'll be in the description below. Thank you, and I can't wait to see what you guys make with ChatterPix.